Every photon that reaches our telescope has taken an epic journey through space and time. Thanks to extremely sensitive instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope, we can now finally see the true extent of the universe. Scientists are astonished by what they are observing deep in space, and it seems that with every discovery they make, it becomes more mysterious. The vast array of objects and structures, galaxies, stars, glowing cosmic nebulae, tell a story we don't yet fully understand. We are looking further into space than ever before, but what we see is not what we expected. Instead of answers, we find dozens of new questions. Instead of boundaries, we find the infinite space of creation. The questions still remain. Why does this universe actually exist? How big is it, and what is our role in it? Stephen Hawking once said that the universe does not need God's help to exist. So did everything come into being because God created it? Perhaps he did this so that we could enjoy and explore its splendor. The brilliant physicist Stephen Hawking believes that God is not a necessary condition for the existence of all this, but he leaves open the question of whether this intelligence is controlled beyond our imagination. Until now, scientists thought that this subject could be approached using mathematical formulas and calculations. They believed that we could explain everything down to the smallest detail. However, this universe continues to surprise us and pushes science to the limits of human understanding. Centuries ago, people faced the collapse of their old worldview. They had to understand that the Earth was a sphere floating in space. Today, we face a similar realization that we can never fully explore the limits of the universe. Did you know that light tells the story of the universe? Only with the help of light can we see, feel, measure, and try to learn. Light travels through space at an incredibly constant speed, carrying information over unimaginable distances. The light that reaches our telescopes today began its journey before the Earth existed. Photons, like a cosmic mail system, not only bring us images, but also transmit information about the composition, movement, and evolution of distant stars and galaxies. We see the universe as a vast ocean, where every ray of light is a messenger from another time. Light from the most distant stars and galaxies has traveled for over 13 billion years, carrying messages from long before humans existed. Many of the stars that emitted this light no longer exist, but because the light continues to pass through space and time, we can observe areas and moments that tell us about the past of the universe. We can see about 46 billion light-years in each direction, forming a cosmic globe with a diameter of about 92 billion light-years. Nevertheless, we can only see a small part of what actually exists. We are already seeing areas that can expand our imagination, but space is becoming more and more unpredictable. The expansion of the universe is like the constant movement of waves, revealing new and surprising phenomena that challenge our understanding and expand our understanding of the mysteries of the universe. Galaxies are far apart, stretching the fabric of space itself, making it harder to understand and harder to explore. The James Webb Space Telescope now offers the deepest and widest view of the universe. A telescope is like a navigational tool that guides us into the endless ocean of space. Imagine looking out into the ocean with an underwater telescope. Reefs, rocks, islands, and open ocean fill your view, but how far out into the vast ocean can you see? Just as explorers once mapped the oceans of Earth, perhaps one day we will be able to travel through space and discover what lies beyond, the true vastness and nature of the universe. Right now, we are just guessing, wondering, and trying to solve the mysteries of the universe. The Big Bang heralded the beginning of the universe, followed by the phase of inflation, a rapid expansion that caused matter to move under forces that we can explain scientifically but still do not fully understand. Imagine stars forming in a dusty disk, where hot fireballs provide light and heat for billions of years. This star formation depends on powerful forces that pull and compress dust and gas together, ultimately igniting nuclear fusion. There are trillions of such stars, forming an intricate cosmic dance within galaxies. And new stars are constantly being born, as old stars explode as supernovae, scattering material into space to fuel future generations of stars. Galaxies gather into massive clusters that challenge our imagination. Each cluster is part of a larger cosmic structure, and may not be the largest we have ever discovered. Thanks to constantly evolving technology, we are getting a clearer picture of this universe. And the more questions we ask, the more we see. We still don't know who or what created it all, or how it all fits together so perfectly in a symphony of chaos and beauty. Concepts like dark matter and dark energy guide our calculations, and particle accelerators help us study the components of matter. But deep down, secrets still lie hidden. The James Webb Space Telescope was hailed as a milestone in space exploration, promising to shed light on the mysteries of the era immediately following the Dark Ages. But instead of confirming established theories, it discovered something completely unexpected. We may be on the cusp of discovering things we once thought impossible, like Columbus or Galileo. Driven by curiosity, humanity is using every resource available to understand our origins, life, and the universe. We are constantly developing new research methods, studying data sources, and obtaining information from the cosmic microwave, the afterglow of the Big Bang that permeates all space as a silent witness to the birth of the universe. This cosmic microwave background radiation began its journey about 13.5 billion years ago, capturing the universe 380,000 years after the Big Bang. By studying this radiation, scientists have mapped the large-scale structure of the universe and developed sophisticated theories about matter, energy, and cosmic dynamics. Cosmic radiation provides a wealth of knowledge, but it still holds the potential for new discoveries and interpretations. Scientists have recently found evidence of patterns in this cosmic structure that could hint at the existence of a multiverse, a realm beyond our own. Neutrinos, often called ghost particles, offer another avenue for cosmic exploration. They have so little mass that they pass through matter with minimal interaction, passing through planets, stars, and galaxies without leaving a trace. They are formed in stellar nuclear reactions, black hole mergers, and supernova explosions, and travel through space as cosmic messengers until they reach our detectors. Neutrino research is one of the newest ways to probe the mysteries of the universe by installing detectors in the ice of Antarctica and collecting and analyzing these elusive particles in protected underground reservoirs. Through neutrino research, we see events inside distant stars, observe cosmic processes, and learn about the forces that shape the universe in real time.